Join me as I dive into the world of effortless arbitrage strategies to see just how much I can maximize my XRP gains. Arbitrage in cryptocurrency is all about taking advantage of price differences between markets to make a profit, and when done correctly, it can be a game changer for maximizing XRP gains. Market fluctuations and timing are major challenges traders face when trying to capitalize on arbitrage opportunities. Prices can change in a split second, making it difficult to execute a trade before the opportunity disappears. Traders must be able to act quickly and make informed decisions to succeed. Another challenge is the complexity of the cryptocurrency market, with numerous exchanges and trading platforms to navigate. This can be overwhelming, especially for new traders. Identifying the right opportunities and executing trades at the right time is crucial to success. Traders also need to consider the fees associated with trading on different exchanges and platforms. These fees can eat into profits, making it essential to factor them into any arbitrage strategy. By understanding these fees and how they impact trades, traders can make more informed decisions. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market also poses a significant challenge. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult to predict with certainty whether an arbitrage opportunity will be profitable. This volatility requires traders to be adaptable and able to respond quickly to changing market conditions. There are several arbitrage strategies that can be used specifically for XRP, including identifying price differences between exchanges and executing trades to take advantage of these differences. Another strategy involves using automated trading bots to quickly identify and execute arbitrage opportunities. By monitoring price movements and identifying trends, traders can anticipate potential arbitrage opportunities and be ready to act when they arise. This requires a deep understanding of the market and the ability to analyze data quickly and accurately. Traders can also use technical analysis to identify potential arbitrage opportunities. By studying charts and trends, traders can identify areas where the price of XRP may be undervalued or overvalued, providing a potential opportunity for profit. One effective strategy involves focusing on lesser-known exchanges where price differences may be more pronounced. By exploiting these differences, traders can increase their chances of success and maximize their gains. A compelling case study that comes to mind is that of a trader who successfully used arbitrage strategies to increase their XRP holdings by 20% in just a few weeks. This trader identified a consistent price difference between two major exchanges and executed a series of trades to take advantage of this difference. The key to this trader's success was their ability to act quickly and execute trades at the right time. They also carefully managed their risk, ensuring that they did not overextend themselves and put their entire portfolio at risk. By following a similar approach, other traders can also achieve significant gains through arbitrage. It's all about being able to identify opportunities and execute trades quickly and efficiently. This case study highlights the potential for arbitrage to deliver substantial returns, even in a relatively short period. By applying the right strategies and being mindful of the challenges, traders can maximize their XRP gains and achieve their goals. To recap, the key to maximizing XRP gains through arbitrage is to identify and execute opportunities quickly and efficiently. By understanding the challenges and using effective strategies, traders can succeed in this exciting and potentially lucrative area of cryptocurrency trading. If you've had any experience with XRP trading or arbitrage, be sure to share your stories and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency trading and arbitrage strategies.